Rackmount CD player review. Tascam CD-400U Rackmount CD and media player, worth it? Ever had a service, event, or store opening about to start, and the audio just refuses to cooperate? I once watched a volunteer juggle a dying CD player and a tangled Bluetooth adapter minutes before doors opened. Total chaos. If you run sound in any venue, you know that feeling. Have you been there too? Tell me what failed on you last. That moment brings real tension. Racing heart, eyes on you, people waiting. You try swapping cables, rebooting gear, reconnecting Bluetooth, but nothing feels stable. Consumer players glitch, streaming apps buffer, cheap decks hum through long cable runs. You don't need more complexity. You need one reliable rack-mount CD player that quietly handles everything and restores calm control. Don't just pick any rack-mount CD player. Make sure it has balanced XLR outputs so you never suffer noisy hum through long cable runs again. That realization led me to the Tascam CD-400U Rackmount CD and media player. I discovered it while helping upgrade a small church rack that needed CD playback, USB support, Bluetooth streaming, and radio monitoring in one single space. Here is what surprised me. It is not about flashy specs. It is about outcomes. The slot-loading CD drive resists dust and accidental tray damage. USB and SD playback let you preload organized folders for instant access. Bluetooth with aptX feels stable and clean for background music. The AM/FM tuner with presets works as a real backup. Power on play starts automatically after outages. Balanced and RCA outputs integrate anywhere. One retail manager told me he nearly missed a holiday launch when his old player froze. With the CD-400U, he keeps a 64GB USB ready, hits power, and music starts immediately. Calm restored. After months of consistent use, daily life looks boring in the best way. You load your playlists once, you save tuner presets. Volunteers learn the front panel in minutes. An AV integration engineer I trust calls it a workhorse because it simply sits in a rack and performs without drama. A pro audio reviewer described it as bridging legacy CDs and modern streaming without forcing you to choose. Market analysts have noted that combining CD, USB, SD, Bluetooth, and AM/FM in one 1U chassis reduces both rack space and cost compared to stacking separate units. I have seen that play out in real installs. A church sound tech shared that training new team members became easier once everything lived in one clearly labeled box. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. CD loading can feel slightly slow, and navigating massive USB libraries takes patience. But once media is organized, it is predictable. If you are worried about switching effort or price, ask yourself, how much is one failed event worth? This rack-mount CD player earns trust over time, not hype. And that naturally brings us to whether it fits your setup. At its core, the Tascam CD-400U Rackmount CD and media player gives you reliability and flexibility in one clean 1U solution. Instead of juggling devices, you control your audio from a single professional rack-mount CD player, built for real venues. It is already used by studios, churches, retail stores, and production teams worldwide. If you want to check current availability, I have placed an affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. If you choose to use it, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. No pressure, just solid gear that works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.